Marvin, why you eat egg?
Film that?
Yes! I'm looking at YouTube videos, you know. Why are you eating 8 eggs?
Because it's not.
God. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Rajay. I haven't filmed in so long. I have the good phone and the old phone I have, so the audio might so janky, but guys, I don't know if you want to see me. That's better. Looking to a snatch. Guys, we have like a snowstorm thing. The blunt tide eased up, but I'm going to turn on the camera and show you everything. Oh my god, it's a mess. Yes guys, I think the quality will sound better now, but everywhere is all I mean why it's something I want to see are literally ice. The tree them, when the breeze blow, it's actually pretty windy. The tree they now move because guess what? They stick right up with the ice. I'm at work. It's I think it's 6:52 in the morning. My mom have to come pick me up. But queer guys, this is literal ice. You hear it break like a glass? This is literal ice. The ground is slippery as hell. Road full of ice. You have some big giant trucks on the road like dropping salt. I think the salt helps with the melting of the ice, but me I tell you. And the ground is very slippery, so everybody has to be careful so that's not drop and pop your back. Yeah. It's like, oh my god, it's so cold. Cars are freezing up, stuff like that. So I have to rush back inside because outside extremely cold. Me tell you guys, as you can see, I'm at work. I'm waiting for Marvin to come so I can leave this place. I'm nobody tired. Been working all night. So yeah. Guys, so see the little Recha pull up here after several hours later. Oh my god. Why don't this? Oh there, why don't this? You have anything to say? I've been vlogging from night. Morning, hi. Hey girls. Hi. Good morning.
I feel special
Marvin,
moment
you see your art.
Wind up that man.
Wind up, it's something, you know.
You can't wind up by yourself, you know.
You see, you door open, kind of could open this morning.
No, let's show salt and sitting. You know, see the people that salt on the road. For last night, one you got chuck that salt and sitting on the road.
I know, slowly. I don't get to get what pay.
Anyways, guys, so the beast came for me. So they got turn the camera out of the look a bit and sit and I'm gonna see all the players white. Dying on the weathering leaves. You see how the place
H&M builders.
Anyways, yeah. See out of the road white there, guys. Hopefully when we get the chance to stop, we give a show you. This was the car window freeze up.
So like a girl she's stuck in her throat.
Marvin, say hi. Ginger means say hi.
I stick this every time to say no, stop here. I just fuck your job over the stairs last night.
Me not tell you. Me tell you. What can't wash your face, please? Like you still here all the while. Me tell you. Guys, so we are going to some place where we can look, we can show you up close. Aye, Marvin man, we say Marvin are nice, man. Oh my God. Exactly what we say. We get that front tell you, you're not supposed to hear that here. That's not your business. All of we grown, all of we grown. All of we grown. That's no picture in there, sir. All of we grown. No picture in there right now, sir. Right? Can we check out of the argument because nobody can about her bathing?
Lawrence.
I'm not trying to insult me.
Shush! White, like, look. Massage the place.
Jacob?
I don't know where you're going from. Feel out of the road, Marvin, just God, man.
Look how what is so white. When not a plane can come. They don't start just so don't.
They don't start the highway at all. I used to never take time drive.
No, I can't do yourself.
Up and down Carolina, when you can just skate from one.
The my dear, blood clot idiot. They're like a pump show. I mean, I go follow you.
Guys, look at the cars. All them freeze up and stuff. Look at our car, right? This is just a stormy vlog. Guys, nothing special. This is our first experience of ice because I don't know we come from the tropical paradise. That is Jamaica. So eh? Guys, look at so somebody would be far is that show like one lady will live money at the building. She run down the stairs and slide and drop and fracture her shoulder. So we're sending love and light to her. Why you laugh? Why you laugh? Why you laugh? Marvin, may I tell the story of the lady? Send love and light to her.
Sorry for what happened to you. You didn't just do what I did.
Oh God, finally home. Guys, we're in the house. Ask me, I choose.
What?
I'm tired. So,
come for it again, babe.
Oh.
so thank you guys for watching. And see you on another video. This is just a short vlog, nothing really exciting. See you on another video. By the way, big up to Shanika. Shanika can know this. Anyways, bye. Marvin, why you eat egg? Yes! I'm out in a YouTube video, you know. Why are you eating 8 eggs?
Because it's snowing outside.
I think that's what I don't make you eat 8 eggs. That's a 4 in your plate and ginger fry 4 more for you. Terrible!
Man, I come to see him.
See the look of beast here?
What's he doing?
See there? Hello, Milo. Tell the camera hi. I'm Marvin, baby.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Start dragging back now.
You know, if you want to try,
Come by one waffle.